Guys, good morning. Dave here. We're down here at my secret watering hole. Gonna test out some boards today. And yeah, just wanted to give you a little insight into some prototyping. Working on a couple new boards here, surfboards. Those are them behind me. They're twin fins, performance twin fin shapes. One is a B-line twin fin, which Bent Road Digger we've been talking about. And since we're just working on performance twin fin, thought we'd try another design as well. So let me flip this around. I'll show you the boards a little bit. All right, so there they are. The one on the left, that's a B-line twin fin with a trailer. I think that's gonna be the one I ride today. And the one on the right is just a whole new concept that's called the Slinger. So if you wanna go on the website and look for the Slinger, it's kind of based off that, the outline. But what I thought was really cool, you know, the B-line's been in the line for a while. So how can we kind of spice it up? And me and Bant, you know, our love for twin fins, we thought maybe a B-line twin fin could be pretty sick. So it's the same thing, a jet tail. Obviously had to change the position of the tail to make sense for the twin fins, but I think it's a good platform for a twin. So yeah, we're gonna go out, catch some waves, and see how they go. All right, you guys, just came out from a quick little session. I tried the B-line and just wanted to go into a little bit of, you know, how we prototype, right? So, you know, we start with concept, we start with an idea, and of course that's gotta be a number of things. It's gotta be something I wanna ride that I think is fun. It's gotta be something that I feel adds to the collection of boards that we're making. It's gotta be something, obviously, that we think we're gonna sell a decent amount of units, because we do commit to molds, which allows us to make our incredible construction, but each mold, each size, you know, is an individual price and they're not cheap, but we're willing to commit to that just to make that premium product. So obviously it's got to be something that we hope, you know, it can stay in line for a while and we're going to sell a decent amount of units to make that worth it. It's always a big thing if the team riders are excited to ride it as well, because they're a big part of prototyping. I love to get feedback from everybody. So anyway, I'll show a couple waves. It was really bad out there, really bad. If I didn't have a new board, I probably wouldn't have paddled out. Okay, so what am I looking for when I'm trying a new prototype? So right off the bat, I want to see if it does all the standard stuff good, right? So when I stand up, how does it feel? Does it feel automatically easy to ride? Do I need to kind of figure out where to stand? Like how easy is that? You know, sometimes you get on a board, it feels amazing right off the bat. Sometimes you get on it and it feels a little boggy, but you give it a couple sessions and, you know, you find that spot. First couple waves, I felt I couldn't get it going down the line and I was pushing too much. I'm like a front-footed drive down the line kind of surfer, and I had to just stay a little bit more upright and stay on that kind of, you know, just that, you could just tell it's like right there on the bend of the rocker. Once I did that, the board took off. It felt really nice and it turned really sharp to do. I'm hoping it just does the standard stuff, right? So we all know that front side kind of layback hack. It's usually the first turn people learn. It doesn't do that turn well, and it did. I opened up on one, it felt really nice. So check. How is it going down the line and like projecting over a section? You know, like you get some speed and you pump over that section and shoot out into the next one. It doesn't do that well. I got one wave where it did that really nicely, so that felt really good. It almost felt like it, you know, you want it to feel like it goes even faster when you're shooting over that lip. A roundhouse, how does a roundhouse feel? The waves were kind of doing that today. It was more down the line, a little bit walled, so I didn't really do a roundhouse. I kind of hung on to one cutback, but I didn't get a good feel for it. And then, you know, how is it on your backhand? So backhand, again, is walled. I didn't really get any ones where I could open up on it. Tried to force a couple waves and it felt okay, but I'd like to get some rights on that board. So far it feels pretty good. You know, if I could make another one right now, I'd probably adjust the rocker a little bit lower. It actually has the same exact rocker as our production B-line, which is our most curvy rocker. So I wanted to start there because I know how that feels. Just with the fins and, you know, we set the wings back, it just felt, it doesn't take off like the B-line. You know, I had to kind of be in the right position, but you know, that's first feelings, first perception. And you know, another thing, I haven't been riding small SCPs lately, so dude, I was so tired right away. But stability wise was really nice, especially for my legs that aren't tuned up for a smaller board. That's what we do. We kind of take it from the drawing board and adjust as we go. I'll probably ride this board a couple more times, and I'll send it to Hawaii for Boehne to experiment. So he's like my twin fin flow bro that we really like twin fins. And so yeah, we'll see how he goes. And yeah, I just wanted to give you a little insight of, you know, what we think about when we're prototyping boards, why we're starting with a concept. And I don't know, is this a vlog? I have no idea. Is this a vlog? Anyway, Beeline Twin, let us know. What do you think? Does a twin fin SUP in the lineup sound fun to you? I know we got the escape pod, so should we add to the collection with a whole nother one? You know, if not, what sounds fun? What would you like to see us update in the line or add to the line? We love feedback. We love the support. And yeah, make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe. I know that's all that annoying stuff, but it truly does help get it out there. And yeah, so we'll see you next time. And paddle like a freak. Thank you.